Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Canutalo AIP. Today we are going to see how to take advantage of the email we previously configured to send the extension registration form by email. This is the configuration we previously made in email settings. Here is a link at the top so you can configure it. It will help you recover your password and also send information via email. At this point, we are going to send the extension user via email so that they can register, bearing in mind that the email template must be configured beforehand. We enter the extension and add an email address. As a test, I am going to add this email address. We check the extension and go to Email Notifications, click on Wave Welcome, and an email like the following will appear. In the email, we will see the extension data that we would sign, which would be the local IP and the remote domain, along with the extension number, the password to sign the extension, and a QR code to scan and sign. For the other information that appears, click on Extension Information, send it, and you will see more advanced data. Enter and you will see the local server address, the remote address, the extension name, the user, the authentication ID, the password, the transport type, and also the stun address. You will see the local and remote IP data, the extension user, and the password to sign with your QR code. This way, we can easily send the information by simply adding the destination email of X extension to the IP PBX, and with that, we would send the information to be signed to the extension, and here the email would appear as sent. Without further ado, I bid you farewell. That's all for today. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Leave me a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos. See you next time.